Good morning everyone, it's another day here in Chilliwack, British Columbia, Canada. So since mayroon akong hand injury, I have a schedule for physiotherapy today. Let's go at samahan nyo ako magpa-therapy guys. So ayan guys, dito na ako sa CVI Center. Dito ako nagpa-therapy. So ayan guys, tapos na po yung aking therapy. So today, ayan, after ng therapy session, nilagyan ng tape ng aking physiotherapist. So ang ginawa niya today is a shockwave para ma-lessen ang pain ng aking thumb. So ayun guys, so good thing about having a full-time job, so meron kaming extended benefits. So covered yung fee. Good thing about having a good job, which is mako-covered lahat ng expenses niya. So kung wala ka pong extended benefits, I think yung mga therapy session is hindi siya covered ng basic na medical benefits here in Canada. So kaya maganda din talaga na mayroon kang full-time job na nag-offer ng extended medical benefits para in some cases kagaya ko, nagkaroon ako ng hand injury, so na-covered lahat ng expenses ng therapy ko. So yun guys, so ingat po tayong lahat and stay safe and keep warm dahil malamig pa rin ang panahon here in Canada. So yun lamang po. Bye for now. Salamat!